Ooh. First stop, Calypso Coffee.
Read our minds.
That beautiful mahogany work. The yellow and white one, that's also another colonial mansion. And it was owned by Robert Sidney Turton. He painted all his homes yellow and white because he believed that yellow keeps away mosquitoes. He died from malaria. It's not the reason why I'm wearing yellow. I'm being paid to wear yellow. But don't you think I look good in yellow? Yeah. Boss picked a good color. Over here on the left, the cream structure with the crosses. This is St. Catherine's Academy. It is an all-girl high school administered by the Sisters of Mercy. That is the best high school in Belize. Do you know why? That's right. You're smart because I went there. And I can say the Sisters of Mercy have no mercy. What is this building here on the left? Hospital. No, the big cream one. Celebrated restaurant. I heard hospital. You okay? Okay. This is called custard apple.
Oh, okay.
You know what custard apple?
No. Custard apple?
I know it by heart. And then we call it hard.
Wanabana? Still never heard of it?
Yep.
There's the cousin to it, which is soursop. Anona. This is sweet and creamy. So we gotta pull it from the tree before it falls. It kind of looks like a big
I bet you it's
strawberry.
good.
You know,
Was it sweet?
How did they cut the pineapple?
You gotta shave all of this off. Right? Then just slice it up. Take out the center though. The center reaches your mouth. And then we take the pineapple skin, soak this in a container. In the evening you have pineapple juice. You leave it for a year and you have pineapple wine.
they close up?
Oh, watch.
Oh, yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah, there's little thorns in them.
I forgot to tell you about those.
And she did say that too.
Alexander flag when we are moving again, but we are just taking a quick stop because we have the Belize sign in front of the ocean. We used to just go by and people would ask if they can stop and take pictures. So it's up to you. Do you want to get out and take a picture? The Belize sign? So we keep going? Sure. Alrighty. Alright, so the colors on the flag represent our political parties, which we don't have a president. Our government hospital, we pay $1 US, $2 Belize consultation fee. The government clinics, we get free maternal health care. The babies obtain free vaccination. Minor illness.
They would need you down here.
Maybe the flu is around, those are all free. When it's an emergency, then you go to the government hospital.
Yeah, it may be free,
and
but
we would pay 50% of our medical costs. It would cost us $25 US per night at our government hospital. So only when the people that you met in Honduras yesterday are the Rifuna. We are originally from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. As slaves were being moved in the Caribbean, a shipwreck on board, they then swam to the island, intermingling among the African, the Carib, and the Arawaks took place, and so my group was formed. They were forced off the island of St. Vincent because they refused to subject to slavery, so my ancestors were never slaves. They arrived in Honduras and came to Belize on the 19th of November 1802. So that's how I'm here. I still the dairy farm, the poultry farms. The Chinese arrived in the 1950s, and they are the ones who took over the fast food and restaurants. Few Belizean restaurants, but mainly Chinese. The Amish
The roll to the dawn.
No, I told her I was going to sign up and do it. And, communication. They have snorkeling there too. You gonna do snorkeling too? We have. But there's a wildlife preserve, the jaguar thing. I think it's gonna take some time.